Look at this. This is beautiful, y'all. Ah! Y'all, this is my first time growing turnips and they turned out beautifully. I planted these back in October and I fertilized about 3 weeks in with a water-soluble fertilizer, and today it is harvest day. Y'all, I decided to harvest all 8 of my turnips. They were all ready to be picked, and I'm so excited because I get to use the roots and the greens for cooking. This has been, seriously, one of the easiest vegetables for me to grow so far, and there really hasn't been any disease or insect issues, and it's just been a great crop. I like to use a good pair of kitchen shears. Cut them off at the base. These greens are beautiful. But y'all, I'm a sucker for a good turnip root. Learned about these when I was going after some digger in Missouri with a good friend of mine, and he planted them in a food plot. I had never had a turnip, and I tried one, and I had it raw the first time, and it was just the freshest thing I've ever had in my life. So these are a big thanks to him and his wife. Really proud of how my first turnip bed came out this year, and I grew 8 of them in a raised bed, and I mean, less than 2 months I've got a whole mess of turnips and turnip greens, so I'm a happy lady. Y'all, for the beginning gardener, lettuce is a great winter crop to grow. It's easy to grow, like sun. This is butter crunch lettuce, and I also planted leaf lettuce back in mid-October, and I had mixed results this year. The leaf lettuce didn't do as well as I hoped it would, but I also had some animal issues. My own dog was getting in the bed, and I also had worms and caterpillar issues, but we fought through them. And this type of lettuce, this butter crunch lettuce, I'm actually gonna crop it, which means I'm just gonna take the base leaves from it, so from around the bottom of the plant, and I'm gonna come in here and harvest some of those, and then it'll continually grow, so I'll have more lettuce during the season, so I'm not gonna take the whole thing off. To harvest the lettuce, I'm using kitchen shears, and these things work really well. Me and Lucy over here, we produced a great amount of salad for today, and I left plenty to still continue to grow. This is awesome, y'all. If you're thinking about getting a raised bed, check out Vego Garden Raised Beds and use my code AnnaTheArcher10. These beds have held up super well. I've had some of them for about 2 years, and they don't rust. It's fantastic. I mean, you know Louisiana, it's hot, it's humid. They hold up to the sun and the rain. So anyways, check them out if you're interested. And I'm gonna go in and eat me some salad.